Charmers! Jonny here, and I'm so excited to be here showing you how I did this gorgeous galaxy inspired look using all of the products that I got in my base box of this month. Are you excited and are you ready to see how I did this look? All you gotta do is keep on watching! So the first product that I got in my box this month is this hydrating primer from JECCA BLAC, and this is a dedicated primer for the whole face. So I'm gonna apply it right now and do my base right after that. So the second product that I got in my box was this gorgeous Glorian palette from Touch and Soul. And as you can see, this is a highlighter palette, but it also includes different shades inside. What I'm gonna do actually is use all of the colors. So it's easy. All you gotta do is take your brush and literally pass it through. As you can see, you're gonna get a lot of the pigments in the brush, but it's a gorgeous shade. Let me show you how it looks. Can you see what I'm talking about? And this I'm just gonna slowly like blend it up into my brow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Spotlight palette from OPB Beauty, and I feel like this is a gorgeous palette that includes a lot of purples and also brown and red shades that I can use to create this gorgeous galaxy look. So let's do this. So first I'm gonna start taking a pencil brush, and actually I'm gonna take this shade Start, which is a gorgeous bright burgundy, and this I'm only gonna apply it in the outer part of my eye, and I'm gonna bring this all the way up to my brow and then bring it into the eye. And with this we're gonna create just the C area. Now, to create a better edge around this area that I just painted, I'm gonna use the color Edge, which is a darker red, and this I'm gonna use it only in the inner part of the C section. Now, with a finer pencil, I'm gonna take a little bit of exposure, which is this black, and this, we're gonna create like a liner inside of this C area that I had in here. Now, to continue this eye look, I'm gonna use this Dazzle Stick from KVD Beauty. I think this is gorgina. Like, honestly, when I opened this packaging, I was like, okay, this color is cute, but let me show you, Charmers. Hello. So this color, it's gorgeous, so I'm gonna apply it literally all over my lid. Let's do this. Wow! Can you see how reflective and gorgeous this is? And this, you're just gonna bring it all the way to the back and then just blend it with a brush. And look how gorgeous. Okay, Charmers, so now we're gonna take our Spotlight palette once again, and now we're gonna follow, and using the same colors that we use on the outer C area, we're gonna do the under eye. Start with a small brush, and this, we're gonna place it only in the bottom outer part of the eye, and bring it straight out. If you know me, I can't do anything straight, but I'm gonna try to do this line very straight. Now you want to leave a little bit of separation in between the top of the eye and then the bottom of the eye. This we're going to fix it up and cover it with concealer later on to create that line of separation even better. But now what you're going to do is with that same brush, you're going to blend it all the way down. And now you continue with the other shades that you use on the top. So we're going to go with Edge and Exposure, both using them in the same area and blending it on top. So I'm gonna continue and take my KVD Dazzle Stick, and I'm gonna take it with a small brush. And this is actually the product that I'm gonna use to separate the top part of my eye and the bottom part of my eye. So as you can see, literally right here in the middle, I'm just gonna blend this out. And now I'm gonna go ahead, finish the other eye, and I'll be right back. Now to finish this look, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Luna Magic Lash Primer. So I'm just gonna put it on and then put my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. And that's it! Oh my god! Thank you to all of the amazing products that I got in this box this month. I was able to do this gorgeous, gorgeous look. Let me know what do you think in the comments down below. I also want to know which is your favorite product from this month's box, and if you're gonna be trying to recreate this gorgeous galaxy look. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave a comment saying if you love this video or not. I'll see you in the next one, Charmers. Bye!